Hey, so for this makeup video, I'm gonna be doing, I don't know yet. I actually think I'm gonna be putting false eyes on, maybe. Sure. Okay, so I went shopping today. I've got nearly. I got 3 sort of eyes. I got Cheryl Cole's one. I got them ones. And I got them ones. So I think I'm gonna put them ones on. So the glue is also the black back. I'm not gonna put glue on, I'm just gonna try to stick them on. They're already sticky. Oh no, I just plucked. They're already sticky enough. More than enough. By your side to the very edge, you push me in the fire. So there's one. Can't see it that much. So let's try and get a better angle. They're kind of nice. Kind of aids, but I don't mind. So put this eye on. Okay. So, oh. Kind of plucked a few off these ones just now when I was trying to get it off. So, just gonna try to get off gently this time. Don't hesitate where you go, big time. Okay, so just check them out really quickly. That's done. So I don't know whether you can see actually. So that's done. I think they're kind of nice actually. So they don't look that fake, I hope. So in my last video, I gotta stick these back on a minute. I put some black eyeliner on the top and a flick, and I did my lips and my bronze and all that. So in this episode, I'm just sticking eyelashes on. If you don't know where to get eyelashes from, I'm positive you've got some in any shop actually, in clothes shops. Just look by the counter. Okay, thank you.